Hello everyone, my name is Soujanya Gummadi and today I am doing this video to share with you all my experience with Adaptive US in terms of getting certified for CBAP. I joined Adaptive, or I signed up with Adaptive in the month of November 2021, hoping to get certified probably in the next 6 to 8 months. And while I joined Adaptive, I had absolutely no clue about how to really prepare towards CBAP certification. What is it that's required? How do you study BABOK? How do you analyze concepts? And how do you really prepare yourself to face the exam and to be able to crack the exam? But I'm very proud and happy to say that I was able to crack the certification in my very first attempt in less than 3.5 months, which is like I cleared my certification on 12th February 2022. This definitely stands to be a very huge milestone in my career, and I take pride in saying that Adaptive plays a very major and a vital role in this success of mine. The amount of learning that I've received from Adaptive, the amount of knowledge that they've imparted, the amount of time that Adaptive has invested in me, and not just me, but with anybody who has trusted in them, I think is incredible. So I'm happy to say that, if you are like me, who is not sure about where to go and how to get certified, Adaptive is definitely your go-to place. And it definitely stands out to be one of the finest training providers for any IIBA certifications. So don't wait to get certified. Happy learning. Bye-bye.